Here we go.
Walking tightrope, say the lightning, like how you move. I would swim across the ocean to hold on to you. I don't know where you've been, fell right out of my head. A dream, swear you're made for me.
Oh, ooga booga. Oh, woo. I'd have to drink too much. That's hot for me. Full time RVing. Be like.
Here they come.
Buggies! What are you doing, buggies? Woo! Where you going? Where you going, man? Come on. buddy. Watch out, buddy. No, let's go. What's up, buddy? Where you going? Going. Are you a good boy? Yeah, how about you, baby? How about you? Let her rip. Hands up. Just kidding. Look at that technique. See you later. Wipe out. Look out, Pug. Is that funny? Huh? You want to do one? You want to do one? That sure was fun. Nothing like a good snow day on the homestead to get the blood pumping. Well, there you go. Snow day's over. Now we got the next best thing, rain. Everybody deserves a snow day. But it's all gone now. Just a little foggy and a little bit of rain. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, click the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.